Being in isolation is a great opportunity to get that apron out and start cooking healthy meals for your family. The next recipe we're going to do is lentil and spinach curry. For this recipe you need We'll start with a little bit of olive oil that goes into a pan on the stove, and then we're going to brown our onions. We're going to add the teaspoon of curry powder and half a teaspoon of cumin. Once this is nice and brown, we're going to add the lentils, and then we're going to add the potatoes and our can of tomato. So we'll let that cook for probably about 15 minutes. So once those potatoes are soft, we'll add our spinach in and our squeeze of lemon, and we're just stirring this through. The spinach adds lots of colour and nutrition, and we just let those wilt, and then that's ready to serve. So here you have it, lentil and spinach curry made from cheap ingredients like chickpeas and potatoes that you can store easily in your pantry with some brown rice.